Hi everyone, this is me, Ahmad again. So I'm starting this new video series about generative AI and LangChain. So most of you guys have heard about generative AI and how right now this is a boom at boom. It's changing everything. So I started this course to teach you guys how you can use LangChain and how you can get a benefit out of the generative AI. So if you are interested in learning the generative AI, this course is for you. I'm going to cover these topics in this course. I will guide you how to set up the LangChain project. I will guide you how to set up poetry, how to different set up get different API keys, how to set up the different visual code and whole development environment for this development. Then we're going to talk about chat models, and I will see that we will see in detail in a couple of minutes. And then we're going to talk about prompt templates, and then we will also talk about chains, RAG, and agent and tools. So stay with me, stay through the course if you want to learn all this stuff and you want to become expert in the generative AI. And for now, just subscribe my channel. By the way, this image I generated it using a generative AI. So generative AI is awesome. Thank you guys.